workout but ended up scrolling again?
Learned a lot, been there complaining too much, but ended up lying down.
But I found a trick that works. Stop thinking about doing an hour, just start with 5 minutes. 5 minutes is better than none. Do the kind of exercise you love. It doesn't have to be the gym. A morning walk, dancing, or jumping in your room is totally fine. Exercise is not a punishment, it's a gift to your body. What really matters is consistency, not going hard on day one and quitting the next. Consistency beats intensity. Start today, don't wait until Monday. Take your lazy body and let's do this together. You don't have to do it all, you just have to begin.